Hello everybody, I am starting my new world single player. I already made one, so I'm just going to start over here. I'm still going to keep my yogurt land and create building terrain. Yeah, the terrain. Good little terrain. Perfect terrain and build. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, sheep. I'm going in. Whoa, that's a lot of sheep. Whoa. Yeah. I'm so laggy. I'm gonna die, man. I'm so laggy. Sheep is like a ninja. I'm so laggy like that. Yeah, one wool. Oh yes, coming at me. Yes, two wool. I am on fire. Watch out, the sheepies. Can't run away on me. I am everywhere. Wow. Breaking these little sheep. Yeah.
So I had bushy tea out this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Need to get more eggs today, so I don't have any eggs to eat this morning. Do hot chocolate or cereal.
Okay.
You take it at it?
Okay. And everybody, that was my mom. We're having breakfast right now. Oh, I didn't need that wool. But I'm that good. Get some wool real quick. Yes, a swamp biome. My favorite kind of biome. You know, like or subscribe if you like swamp biomes too. Who doesn't like swamp biomes? Everyone loves swamp biomes. This episode, I don't really need too much wood, but I'm looking for is like some coal. That's what I really need to start out. And I'll just walk around. Explore this swamp biome. Try to get some seeds for planting. Yeah! Oh yeah, oh yeah, this dude's on fire. Looking like a pretty good swamp biome. Yes! There's always one of these little houses in a swamp biome. They don't have much good stuff in it, but there's always one in them. It's pretty cool. I'm going in! That's the one problem. Yeah. Oh yeah, I revealed my identity. I'm Steve. Can't really enter. Oh man, this is like secret lockdown. There's like nothing in here. All it really is a cauldron and a crafting box. I thought it was pretty cool. Okay. See. Ha ha. I take your crafting box. Goodbye, Mr. Cauldron. And I'm off getting my book. So yeah, that's what that is. There's like one, maybe two of those in this swamp biome. Pretty cool. Yes, hopefully coal. Come on, coal. Oh, more wall. Okay. I see. Not fair. Wow. Little lily pads. Make you jump around. Cool! Oh, what's up with this? It's like magical land of green dirt. The dirt die. Die. Fail. Oh, never mind. I don't have to make crafting table today. Hi. this very crafty table. Oh yeah. It's 2 spruce woods I stole, making some sticks. Oh, worst kind of pickaxe. Oh, this is, I'm not gonna enjoy this dumb wooden pickaxe. Breaking the code. Break. Break. Skydiving. Oh. So now I am having 6 coal. Dude, I am set. I'm just gonna break everything with my wooden pickaxe so it will disappear. Like, oh look, it's a shovel now. Yeah! Oh. I needed that. It's part of my plan. What is this? This is not even... What the heck? Just going on a mission. Waiting for it to be nighttime. Uh-oh. My hunger's going down. That's okay. I'll find a piggy or something. But why are there so many sheep? I don't like you guys. Whoa. Maybe there's iron somewhere down here. Must be explored. For another time. Yeah! Oh. Ooh, a forest. Okay, I'm building right about here. I know it seems weird, but right about here is good. Because I'm at a sideways angle right now. I'm digging downwards. Because I like that big wood source right there. And I don't want to ruin my swamp decorations. Oh, this dirt is so loud. Oh, wait a minute. We have no friends. To the piggies. Ugh. Iron! Too bad this pig-ass can't get it because it's a sucky pig-ass. Oh, there's 2 of them. What's better than 2 of them? Nothing. See, I knew this was a good spot. We'll explore that thing in a second. Magical. Okay. Uh-oh, we're already out of sticks. That is like the thing you use the most in the game. Get out of here, pickaxe! Run away from me. Uh-oh, it's sitting on me. No. Let's pick it up. Never mind. Run! Oh, man. Wow, that was bad. I'll go throw him in the water in a second. That's a coal. Coal will dig up this iron for me. Whoa. Here bets. That's cave. And cave means cave exploring. Everybody loves cave exploring. Squeaking bats. I already heard you for once. Okay, now. Okay. Keep squeaking. Like my little brother, you squeak. But my little brother's like way better than me. I don't know my little brother. Whoa, what was that? Okay, well, I bet as fun as this is for you guys, I'm getting out. How is it still daytime? This is a long daytime. I promise I did not set it. Oh, look at it goes. Okay, one of those forest real quick. Before things happen. Let's go find some animal sources. Sugar cane. Ooh. Do we want the sugar cane? Yes. Yes, we do. Whoa. Please, get in my face. Nice. Whee! A piglet! Should we mass produce these piglets? Yes. I need a little bit more wood first. Chopping down the wood. Well, okay, I'm trying to get a bunch of wood, but I don't think you guys are gonna want to see this. So, yeah, I'll be back in a second. Well, here I am again, and I got lost coming back from that forest, so I could not find home. So I'm making a new home, and I got this, and I made a bed, and I was sleeping, and then this mean creeper just decides to walk in and blow up my bed, and my bed, I don't even get my bed back because he was way too close to me. I didn't die, but my bed did. So now I'm pretty mad, and I am remaking home. Man, dirt's boring. But I still have my crafting table. I had to make a new one. That made me mad. I thought your swamp house is pretty cool. Take stuff from. A wooden pickaxe. Down the drain. What is happening to my health and my hunger? I mean, what is that? It's like out of the wazoo. It's crazy. More coal. But yeah, while you were gone, I did find a little bit more coal and some more iron. Oh, some iron. I have 8 iron now. But what I did find, and I promised I did not go in it, I really want to show you guys this. I found a ravine. I was so happy, but I don't know if I can get back somehow, but I'll try. Now I'll show you this ravine. It'll be pretty crazy. I'm gonna do it. Okay. Well, I think that might be enough for this episode. It's fun. We built a house-ish. Had some supplies. Supplies got blown up. We're about to die. And before anything dies, I'm probably just gonna leave. Alright. I'm gonna get one more coal. That's it. Oh, okay. Pickaxe, I say that too. Alright. Goodbye.